Welcome to Bartinon, an iconic estate that stands majestically on one of the largest waterfront parcels in inner city Gold Coast. Spanning over 6,500 square metres with an impressive 134 metres of water frontage, this magnificent property offers breathtaking east and northeasterly views of the Nerang River, perfectly framed by the stunning skylines of Surfers Paradise and Broadbeach. Constructed in the 1980s for Sir Justin Hickey and Lady Barbara, Bartinon is a Mediterranean-inspired mansion that has long been synonymous with luxury and glamour. Once a favoured venue for royalty and a host of celebrities, this estate is a true testament to timeless elegance, boasting grand proportions and sophisticated interiors that reflect its storied past. The residence features an expansive 1,680 square metres of internal living space, encompassing multiple formal and informal living spaces, 7 lavish ensuite bedrooms, including a palatial master retreat, as well as a dedicated wellness wing complete with a spa and gym. Whether entertaining guests in the grand ballroom or enjoying a quiet evening in the cosy informal living room, Bartinon provides an array of spaces to suit any occasion. The property also includes a games room and 3 stylish bars, ensuring every gathering is unforgettable. Venture outside to discover a resort-style pool, surrounded by meticulously landscaped tropical gardens, a full-size floodlit tennis court, and a private pontoon with a winch, perfect for boating enthusiasts. With a boat ramp, spacious shed, and garaging for up to 8 cars, the estate offers an abundance of amenities designed for both relaxation and recreation. Crafted from the finest materials, including sandstone, brick, Italian marble, and granite, Bartinon's quality construction was a benchmark at the time of its build, ensuring it remains a lasting symbol of luxury and durability. Now, after being cherished by the same family for over a decade, the owners are fully committed to selling Bartinon, creating a rare opportunity for discerning buyers to acquire not only a world-renowned trophy asset, but also a piece of Gold Coast history. This stunning estate will be going to auction on Friday the 18th of October. If you're interested in this unparalleled investment opportunity, please pre-register with Sam at the link below to secure your chance to own this exquisite property. Don't miss out on the chance to make Bartinon your own. Experience the luxury, prestige, and unmatched lifestyle that this remarkable estate has to offer.